Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Okay, we are going to be talking about how to use number lines to help us subtract, and this is going to be probably one of the strategies that you use the most, so it's important that we really understand how to do this, okay? So what we do is we start on the first number that we see, which is 9, and we count back the spaces of the second number. So count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we land on 4. 7 minus 3. 7, count back 3. 1, 2, 3. 8 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is 3 minus 2. So we start on 3 and we count back 2. Ready? 3, count back 2. 1, 2. The next one we see is 4 minus 2. So we start on 4, count back 2. 1, 2. 6 minus 4, we start on 6 and we count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2. The next one is 3 and we just hop one space. So we stop on 2. 10 minus 3 is 10. Count back 3. 1, 2, 3. We stop on 7. 2 more. We have 9 minus 2. So if we start on 9, count back 2. 1, 2. Stop on 7. And the last one is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Over on the back, our number lines got a little bit bigger now because we're doing numbers up to 20. So I'm going to do a couple with you, and then I want you to do the rest on your own. So we start on 13, count back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 7. Next, I'm going to do 12 minus 8. So I start on 12, and I count back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we stop on 4. 11 minus 3. Start on 11, count back 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. 8. 15, we count back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 minus 5. 14, subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16 minus 8. Start on 16, count back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 11 minus 4. Start on 11, count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 19 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 10. And on our last one, we have 17 minus 6. Start on 17, count back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop on 11. All right, boys and girls, nice job. Have a good rest of your day.